In this step-by-step video tutorial we are going to replace the CMOS battery. What do you need? A container to put the screws in, a screwdriver, and a spudger. The first step is to take out all the screws. Take the spudger and put it between the bottom case and the hinge. Gently apply pressure on the hinge. Do the same on the other side. You can carefully lift up the bottom case. Unplug the battery and the CMOS battery. Remove the CMOS battery. Replace the new CMOS battery the same way as you took the old one out. Then, reconnect the battery. Place back the bottom case. Make sure that the bottom case fits properly. The final step is to put back all the screws. Pay close attention when putting back the screws that hold the hinges, because they are larger than the other screws.